This rechargeable folding keyboard with touchpad is designed to make working from anywhere easier and more comfortable. This ultra-slim, lightweight keyboard folds neatly to fit into your bag or even your pocket, so it's ready whenever you need it. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, it connects wirelessly through Bluetooth, giving you a smooth and hassle-free typing experience without tangled wires. What truly sets it apart is the built-in touchpad. It gives you precise cursor control, so there's no need to carry an extra mouse, perfect for tight spaces like cafes, airports, or during travel. And with its rechargeable battery, you can forget about constantly buying new batteries. A single charge gives you hours of reliable use, keeping up with your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a student, traveler, remote worker, or simply someone who values convenience, this keyboard turns any device into a productive workstation wherever you are.